Hello everyone, I am Pauline the mermaid in Mouse and Mermaid, and today I am coming to you with our December pin tag. But first, let's see what pin from my advent calendar I unboxed today. Happy December 6th and day 6 of Vlogmas. We are going to kick this video off with my pin advent calendar. It was curated by my friend Mary over at Jolly Holiday with Mary. So I highly encourage you, after you watch this video, to go head over to her channel and see what pin I curated for her that she unboxed today. Today we are unboxing one of the big trees. Okay, day 6 is super extra because it's not 1, not 2, but 3 pins. So first up, we have this shell that looks like flounder. And this little shell looks just like flounder, and it has Ariel's flower that she wears in the Under the Sea score. I have a pin that will coordinate nice with that, but I'm gonna set these all up together. We also have this turtle pin, which I believe is a fantasy pin, and I love turtles. I stand corrected. It is a Pixar pin, and I'm gonna be honest, I haven't the slightest idea where this is from, so please comment below and tell me what turtle don't I know about in the Disney universe. And finally, this is probably the smallest pin I own today, and I love it. It is this very tiny Mickey hat. So this little Mickey hat is kind of a gunmetal color, and it just has a little Mickey emblem right on the front. Such a cute pin to kind of fit in those nooks and crannies of your pin board. Mary, thank you so much. Now let's get into today's video. Well guys, this is going to be a double up on the pins because we are about to dive into our December pin tag. It is our last one of 2020, but we have 2 more monthly pin tags to go after this. I can't believe we're almost done. I also can't believe I did every single month of the year almost. That being said, let's dive into the questions. First one is always, show us a pin that you've acquired in the month of December. And I don't have any pins that I acquired in the month of December other than a couple of years ago when I got the pin trading monthly boxes. So let me show you a pin that I got in one of those boxes. And it's this Little Marie cupcake. So I believe these cupcakes were in a mystery box series, and Little Marie is so cute. She's got her little paw prints on the wrapper and a perfect little bow atop the white frosting. Winter starts on December 22nd, so show us your favorite winter pin. And I selected this holiday Mickey Mouse that I got last year in the parks. He is so cute and all bundled up, looking very wintry. So little Mickey here is holding a candy cane. He has a farmer hat on in traditional red and green Christmas colors. He's cozied up in a sweater and overalls and warm boots, and he also has a comfy buffalo plaid scarf. As we do every month, Capricorn is the sign that begins this month, so show us a pin that represents Capricorn. And as every month, I always just look up what Disney characters are what sign. So for this one, it is Elsa. She is patient, responsible, self-disciplined, and can totally control her powers, at least in the end. So Elsa certainly represents Capricorn. And for Elsa, I selected this nesting doll pin. It has her beautiful braid, little snowflake details, and overall these are so cute, especially for Anna and Elsa and Snow White as well. They feel as though they marry very well with the setting of their movies. And for December, the gemstone of the month is turquoise, so show us a turquoise pin. And I selected this boxed lunch Alice in Wonderland pin. It is the little bottle that Alice drinks out of, and on the tag it has the Disney Alice in Wonderland logo. I just think this is so cute. I love how the little bottle looks. It does look like it has a spot where the enamel wasn't filled in all of the way. But regardless, I just think this pin is so cute. Giving Tuesday is December 1st, so I want to see a pin that represents an organization near and dear to your heart that you are supporting. And if you happen to miss it, you need to go back and check out one of our very first videos of Vlogmas. I actually, not on purpose, but started this on Giving Tuesday, and it is the cast member pantry. So this is just very special this year because I wanted to do something in relation to my YouTube presence and the YouTube Disney community at large and help support the people who give us the magic every time we go to the parks, and that is the Disney cast members. So what the Disney cast member pantry does is it supports cast members who have been furloughed, laid off, or have reduced hours due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and they help them with groceries. So if you are looking for more information on the cast member pantry, I will put a link above to that video and you can find out more info on how you too can support the cast member pantry. Without further ado, my pin is this Target Mickey pin. I would say the #1 cast member is Mickey Mouse, am I right? So this Mickey pin, as I said, is from Target. It was for Mickey's 90th, and it has a nice bronzy gold medal, and it's just featuring Mickey. He looks like he's sitting for a portrait. It's just adorable. December always has us so excited because the holidays are here. So I want to know what holiday you're celebrating and show me a pin that represents that. So in our house, we celebrate Christmas. If you didn't know, there's been a lot of Christmas stuff on here lately. But we have this cute little Mickey and Minnie Christmas pin from 2019. So this little pin is Minnie and Mickey. They are getting their Christmas tree. Sitting in the back of the truck, Mickey's enjoying a hot cocoa with Minnie. They are just having a grand old day getting ready for Christmas. New Year's Eve is December 31st, so let's razzle and dazzle into the new year with a very sparkly pin. So I selected this very sparkly pin from Loungefly. This is a Tiana dress pin and she is glittering so much. All of the Loungefly pins are so glittery. I just love them. And this dress in particular, I would totally wear this to a New Year's event. If it was a glamorous and formal affair, this would be the perfect New Year's Eve dress. National Cookie Day is December 4th. So show us a pin of someone you would like to bake cookies with. And I feel like there is no other Disney character to do baking or cooking or anything than Minnie Mouse herself. If you go to absolutely any restaurant in Disney World where Minnie is a strolling character, she will tell you she did all of the cooking, did all of the work, and it usually tastes amazing. So I'm gonna trust Minnie to kick my cookies up a notch. So little Minnie here is actually a pin that went along with that Mickey pin I showed you earlier. She has a sparkly skirt on, a cute little holiday cardigan. She's got her little red and white bow, the candy cane also, some cute little boots and stockings, and of course that buffalo plaid scarf. December is full of gift giving, so show us a pin that you were gifted. I actually selected this Small World pin that I was gifted through our white elephant exchange that my family always does when we go to the park. So we all get pins throughout the trip, and then at our dinner, usually it's at Tokyo Dining, we do a white elephant exchange and get an awesome pin. So this is the one that I got on our last trip. So this is a beautiful Small World pin, so much color, a little more deeper, richer colors than kind of the traditional pastels of Small World. And it says, a smile means happiness and friendship. And it's got some of the Small World characters and animals, and of course the famous Small World clock. And our final question of 2020 is Humbug Day is December 21st. So show us a pin of a character who would suck all of the joy out of the holiday season. And I selected this up pin because at least towards the start of the movie, Carl was certainly a grumpy old man and would totally have been a Scrooge about Christmas. Luckily, Russell reminds him of the joys in life, and I'm sure his heart grew 3 sizes bigger. So Carl and Ellie here are depicted at their wedding. She is giving him a big smooch at the altar. And this is a pin on pin design. Well guys, that is it for our monthly pin tags in 2020. I have 2 more, January and February, and then we will be completely done with pin tags. I might be pin tagged out, just saying. But before we go, I have a couple channels I am going to tag in this month's pin tag. First up, my tried and true Court over at Science Life, Disney Love. You gotta go check out her channel because she has done every single one of these. Court, I can't believe it. Thank you. Also, my good friends Joe and Andy over at Park Pioneer are also going to participate in this tag. You guys have an incredible collection. I can't wait to see what you select. The Parks palette also reached out to me and said they would be interested in doing this tag. So you guys are tagged. I can't wait to see what you come up with. And finally, the pin guy is also doing this tag. He's done a couple of them, so be sure to go check out his channel and see what awesome pins he selects. Alright guys, that is it. Give this a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and comment below, tell me what was your favorite pin I showed today. And finally, we would love for you to join the Mouse and Mermaid family, so please give us a subscribe. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, peace, love, and Kwaherini. Before you go, we wanted to make sure you had a chance to catch our feature in-park video for Vlogmas. You can find a link to the video up above or down in the description. This feature video is from our December 2016 Christmas vacation to Walt Disney World. We are at Epcot for a Kershus at breakfast. We spend the day there, do a little swimming, and then head back to Epcot at night for some delicious food. I hope you'll go give it a watch.